What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, the 32 valve 4.6 liter Ford engines are arguably one of the greatest looking engines Ford has ever produced. And the Eaton supercharger that came on the 0304 Cobras, well, that was kind of like the cherry on top of a sundae. It finishes it off just right. Now, the valve covers on those 4-valve engines, they're much larger than the valve covers found on the 2-valve engines. Now, something that really contributes to the clean look of these engines is when Ford eliminated the ignition wires in the late 1990s by going to a coil on-plug system. And the 4-valve engine, well, that takes it one step further because Ford put covers over the coils so you don't see them at all. The Cobra has coil covers that proudly announce 32-valve V8. And while they do look pretty good, I think we can find something that looks even better. I already put a really beautiful radiator cover that I detailed the install in a previous video, and if you haven't seen that video, I will put a card right up there. Check it out. And while that does a good job of kind of, spicing up underneath the hood, I found something that's going to complement that really nicely. So these are the first coil covers I actually picked up. They are the M6067C covers from Ford Racing, and they're identical to the pieces that came on the 07 to 14 Shelby GT500s. But they fit the 4.6 liter 4-valve as well. I really like the fin design and the powered by SVT logo, and I was going to get them powder coated in some way to complement the engine. But then I came across these. These are from Billet Pro Shop. They're made of machined aluminum and feature a really bold Terminator logo, which complements the radiator cover that I already have. So do me a favor right now, drop a comment down below. Which one do you like so far? Do you like the powered by SVT aluminum Ford Racing ones, or do you like these Terminator coil covers from Billet Pro Shop? I'm going with these because of the black that complements what I have under the hood, plus the Terminator logo really works well with that radiator cover. But do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know which one you like better for my car and why. In any event, let's get outside and install these on the car. Removing two 10mm headed bolts right here, and then they lift right off. Now these should not be super tight, so this should come out relatively easily. Like I said, just be careful not to drop them. One thing that you'll need from your OEM coil covers is you're going to have to pull this rubber gasket off and just transfer it over. It takes 2 seconds, not a big deal. So we pull these off, and they are side specific, so we pull these off the stockers and we're going to put them on the new ones. Go. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, let's get the other side done. So I really like the look of those coil covers on the car. Like I said, they do tie into the black under the hood, as well as the radiator cover that I had just put on. So that's about it. You don't need a ton of tools or a ton of time to change the look of your 4-valve Ford engine, whether it's a Cobra, Mark 8, I don't know. And Terminator isn't the only style that's available for these cars. There are actually a few companies that do make coil covers, but like I said, this one, I feel like it fits the car best. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about these coil covers on the car. And let me know if you have any questions at all. I'd be happy to help. So that's about it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. And do me a favor, hit that like button, or better yet, subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. And I will see you on the next one.
Eventually